Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see what is the Bootstrap and how to use Bootstrap. First of all, what is Bootstrap? The Bootstrap is a free open source front-end framework used for developing responsive and mobile first websites. This means it is a predefined front-end framework. That means the code is already defined. From that we take the part of code and implement in our web page programming, and it also provides responsive websites. It gives first party to the mobile. That means it gives more developability for the mobile based websites. It provides predefined HTML, CSS, JavaScript components such as buttons, forms, navigation, watch models, consoles, and grid systems that help developers create modern, consistent, and user-friendly web interfaces quickly. This means HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, such as the buttons, navigation bars, whatever the component we want to design and implement in our page. The code required for the component designing is available in Bootstrap. We simply take the code from the Bootstrap and implement in our program. And now let us see what is the use of Bootstrap. Bootstrap is mainly used because it saves time and effort, which means it reduces the programming complexity and it reduces the time in developing websites by giving the predefined code or components to the programmer. Ensures mobile first and responsive design easily. As we discussed earlier, it gives first party to mobile. Whatever the website is designed with the help of Bootstrap is compatible to mobile. First, it gives first party to the mobile. Provides a consistent and professional look. It provides a professional look to our websites which is designed with the help of Bootstrap. Helps non-designers create attractive UI. Here UI means user interface. It helps non-designers, which means the persons who don't know CSS framework. It helps those persons to create the attractive designs and provide the user interface to the users without the knowledge of CSS. Different options available in Bootstrap. Bootstrap provides several package components you can use. Here first option is grid system. As we see in CSS, the grid system is used for layout, that is fixed grid and so on, and it also provides utilities for CSS like spacing, borders, adding colors, adding shadows to the content of the website. It also provides components like buttons, navigation bars, cards, alerts, models, drop-down menus, etc. It also provides forms. What are the components are generally present in forms? The components present in forms are input fields, checkboxes, validations, or form layouts. Tables. It also helps to create attractive and responsive tables. For tables also, there is code provided in the Bootstrap. Helpers. Here, what is helpers means? It is a piece of code that provides the CSS positioning display for box or force options. Next one, JavaScript plugins. It provides the JavaScript plugins. Here, plugin means additional functionality, that is tooltips, collapse, codify tools, etc. Here, tooltips means whenever we press the mouse on a button, it shows additional content in our page. That is the tooltip. And what it shows means a palm message that is appear on our page. Themes and icons. Customizable themes and Bootstrap icons are also available in Bootstrap. With the help of customizable themes, you can edit according to our choice or preference. That's what is the advantage of Bootstrap. Here the advantage of Bootstrap is it provides responsive. The advantage of Bootstrap is it provides responsive design, faster development, cross-browser compatibility, consistency, customizable, large community and support. As we discussed earlier, responsive design means it can fit on any devices. font development. With the help of Bootstrap, a programmer can develop the web page easily and fastly. Cross border compatibility works smoothly across all modern browsers. It support the Bootstrap supports all the browsers consistency, provides a uniform look across different devices and browsers. It provides the same look across different devices and different kind of browsers. Customizable. We can customize according to our needs or preferences. Large community and support. Bootstrap also provides so many tutorials and it also provides community help to know how to use and implement the Bootstrap in our code. And next one is integration. Works easily with frameworks like React, Angular, Vue or plain HTML. It also works easily with the other scripting languages like React, Angular, Vue or HTML. Now let us see what is the disadvantage of Bootstrap. Bootstrap provides same design for all users. We have to change the design according to our needs. This is the disadvantage of Bootstrap. Non-unique design. Extra code. It provides the extra code which is unusable for the programmer. Learning curves. Basically, it is difficult for the beginners to learn and understand Bootstrap content in the starting. Customization complexity. Deep customization requires overriding new default styles. It also provides to have disadvantage of customization complexity, which provides the overhead of changing the default style to our needs or preferences. Now let us see how to implement the Bootstrap into our code. For implementing Bootstrap into our code, first open the Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, in the search bar section, type for Bootstrap. Here Bootstrap 5. After liking Bootstrap 5, you will get a link like this. Click on the first link. After opening the Bootstrap, you will get a page like this. Here in the left side corner, you will get the options that we are discussed in the previous section. First option is get started. The option, there are many sub options like this. Then you click on the getting started option, it will open the sub options like this. And the next option is customize. In the customize option, you can see the color option. The color option is either to add colors to our website. Here in color options, there are various buttons are there with different colors. For implementing this type of buttons in our website, we have the code. Simply copy the code and paste the code in our website, so we can also display this type of buttons. Then coming to the layout section, in the layout section we can see the breakpoints, containers, grid, columns, getters, utilities and get index. Like there are so many options in the layout section. Here for every option there are sub options. And the next option is content. In the content option, we can see the keyboard, typography, images, tables, figures. From the images option, we can implement the image code into our website. That is here in the image code. Simply copy the image code and paste it on the next option is forms. The forms option is here to create forms in our webpage. For forms also there is different code is available. We can simply copy the code and paste it on program. You can see the different components which are available in forms are also available here, like form controls, select option, checks and review options, link options, input field groups, layouts and validations. These are different options that are available in the forms. The next option is components. In the components option we can see accordion. What is accordion means? When you simply search for anything, I am searching here Google. When I search Google and scroll the page a little bit down, here you will get the question like this. When you click on the question, it will open the answer like this. This is called accordion. And what is the next option? Alerts. Here, alerts is either the display the different kind of alerts in our web page. For all, there are three different codes that are available in the Bootstrap. If we want, then we simply copy the code, paste it down, program. This is the component section. The next section is helpers. In the helper section, there are also the options like ratio, positions. Ratio is used to get the compatibility of the website to shoot in all the devices. You can see here it will change its look according to the device. That means it fits the website according to the device screen size or device compatibility. These are the various options that are available in helper section. And what is the utility option? In the utility option, they provide API, generally API and application program interface, which is used to it provides the interface between the user and the web page. Then the next option is background. From the background option, we can select and implement different types of backgrounds. Here you can see the background color will be look like this. And the next option is borders. From the borders option, we can able to implement the borders the content of our website. Then fixed for interaction, all the CSS components that are available here in the utility section. Then what is the extend section? Extend section is used to extend our web page functionality to some more. Like it provides the icons. Then when you go down, we will get the icons like this. It helps to indicate what kind of websites that we build. This is the user icon. And here about means it indicates the Bootstrap introduction and who developed the Bootstrap and what is the purpose of Bootstrap, like this. Let us see the example how to implement the Bootstrap in our code. For implementing Bootstrap in our code, simply go to introduction section. After going into introduction section, scroll down. After scrolling down here, you will get the CSS code. Copy the code and paste it here. CSS code is pasted in the head section. After pasting the CSS code, then again come back to the Bootstrap, then scroll down. You will get the JavaScript code also here. Under the bundle section, you will get JavaScript. You will simply copy the script tag and paste it in the body section of your code. Here in the body section, I paste the script tag. After pasting the link tag and script tag, I select the Ascarian from the components and code a little bit. From the Ascarian section, I copy the code and paste it in my program. Here I paste the code in the body section. That is, I copy from the Bootstrap. Now let us see the output. Here you can see the Ascarian is created like this. In this way you can able to implement the Bootstrap code into a website code. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand my explanation, then give a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.